me again, just on the way back. I can't tell if it's made any difference to say I'm driving sedately like it's sort of advised initially, but yeah, the brakes are terrible. Listen to this. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's not good. I say it's not ruining anything apart from the things that are already ruined. So we got discs and pads for the back. Obviously that's dependent on being able to get the wheels off, which we'll get off one way or another. And that's it really. Don't know if it's any better with the sort of performance. It was very underpowered compared to how I remember it. Saying that, I've got an electric car without any gears now, and obviously that's a very different thing. So that's like a, yeah, it's very, very quick off the mark. So I don't always drive that. I've got work van that I drive around in, and yeah, I'd like to think I've not forgotten what a combustion engine, you know, diesel is like. So yeah, that's it. Bring you back when I'm at home, give you a sort of report whether the light has come on, how it feels, if it seems any better or not, and then I say we'll change the oil. I'll probably need to go shopping in the meantime. We've got shopping to do, food shopping, and yeah, probably after that, after we've unpacked and the oil sort of cooled off a bit, don't want it to cool off loads, you know, I want to try and get, you know, keep it hot, or at least sort of a high medium temperature as I'm taking it out, and yeah, we'll do oil and filter change and then start on the brakes, and I'll give you an update how it seems. All right, catch you in a bit.